If you want to sign into your Google Play Store account on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Google Play Store, then tap on Sign In. Now if you want to create a Google account, just tap on Create Account, and if you want to sign into your existing Google account, you can do it from here. Just tap on this box and enter your Google account over here. After you enter your Google account, then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Google account. After you enter the password of your Google account, then tap on Next. If your child will be using this device, just select My child will be using this device. Otherwise, you can select I'll be using this device. After you select your option, then tap on Next. Select I agree. Tap on More and tap on Accept. Tap on Get Started. Now just select Skip. Now just select the method to verify your purchases. You can select your biometric or you can select Use Password. If you select Use Password, you will be able to verify your purchases using the password of your Google account. After you enter the password of your Google account, then tap on Done. Tap on Continue and select while using the app. And as you can see, we have successfully signed into our Google account. Just like that. And this is how you can sign into Google Play Store account on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.